how much it leaves in my life. Hi guys, I haven't vlogged in a while. I'm getting ready to go to the doctor's appointment with my husband because he's not feeling well, so I think it's just the weather. So I'll see you guys when we get there. It is so cold out here, like, oh, we're so early. His appointment is at 9:47 and it's like 8:47 right now. But
this jacket makes me look big.
Yeah. I have one person to shop for, which is a sister, and I have to get stocking stuffers for the kids. I need to put my belt on so that I think can stop beeping. I need to get stocking stuffers for the kids, and I need to go to the thrift store because Jaxson asked for something and I don't have any more money in the budget, so hopefully I can find what he wants for Christmas there, because I didn't even get anything off of his list, because his list alone was the cost of what it's the cost of what I pay for everything for everyone. Not really, because I went off because I got Destiny something. You guys gonna see it. But she did really well in school. She brought home all A's. Like, Destiny's a straight A student, and she got 2 phone calls from the principal and stuff. So I have to reward that kind of, you know, achievement. I have to. I can't let her feel like we don't appreciate her hard work in school. Grant you, she is supposed to, and not to expect anything, but at the same time, as a parent, I have to. Like, I feel like I have to. I don't have to, but I feel like I have to because she's a great student. But anyways, I want to hit up the thrift store to see if I can find some more stuff to add to their stuff. You know, really cheap, inexpensive stuff that you can sometimes find brand new stuff at the thrift store for cheap. Not around here though, because around here I went to a dollar store once and they had a dollar store bowl for $3.99. Really? But anyways, I'll see you guys once we get to where we're going. Hold it, girl. Is it good? Yummy. Here goes the sick baby, the big sick baby.
You're not letting me in your mouth. I can't. Every time you put the stick in my mouth, my tongue automatically goes up.
You're such a big baby. You're like a 5-year-old.
No, man, I'm just always sick, you know?
You okay? Her face is red. Look, guys. She fell the other day and hit her eye. Oh, Lord. Stop it. Still cold. So we're done with doctor's appointment and now we're hungry, but hubby has decided that he wants to go vegan, so now we are vegans. Not quite. I haven't quite switched over because I kind of want to finish up everything that we have in our house, and then I go grocery shopping on Monday just to replenish everything in the house from scratch. So I've been on Pinterest and stuff, and I found a lot of kind of like lists that helps you to substitute what you usually get that are dairy, and to switch it over so that you're not like at a loss what to buy. So, and then next year I'm gonna pick back up with the kids lunches, and then all 4 will be taking lunch from home, because of course once we switch over, our children will automatically switch over as well, and they're not gonna like us very much because and then the funny thing is, we're watching a documentary, and this little 4-year-old, he must have been 3 or 4, and he died from
they can see it on Netflix.
E. coli.
It's called
and
food.
I was like, oh my gosh. If that was to happen to any of my children, I will never be able to forgive myself, because we're the one that makes the decisions for them, you know what I mean? And then for the cancer centers, yeah.
Cancer center.
Because they feed us all this stuff, and then
centers, the dialysis centers.
Anyways, I'm not even gonna get into a debate with nobody, but that's our decision, and hopefully we can stick to it and maintain it and stuff. So we went to the vitamin shops and we got some vitamins and stuff, so that, you know, we're getting our adequate amount of vitamins while on this lifestyle. So anyways, I'll see you guys, because we're heading to go get something to eat from Chipotle, and then we're gonna go to the thrift store. So I'll see you guys there. So this is the vitamins that hubby got. So he got vitamin B12, calcium, vitamin D3, and last but not least, he got himself a multivitamins.
You see my blood pressure went down.
Yeah, it did. You did good.
That's a Chantix? That's a Chantix. Chantix is the shit on TV that says you might have blood clots, you might have suicidal thoughts. Please consult with your doctor beforehand. My doctor didn't tell me all this, but the commercial did.
Anyways, we just stopped at Chipotle. They have this thing, I think they said it was tofu, so we got that. Well, I got that. Hopefully it's good. No cream cheese or cheese. Cream cheese? No, sour cream. No sour cream and no cheese. We got guacamole and lettuce on top. So
brown rice.
And I didn't get any sauce.
Black beans.
Fajita and all that. So hopefully it's good. Once we get to his parents' house, I'll show it to you guys. Then I stopped at Five Below.
You got tortillas?
And yeah, I got 2 tortillas on the side. So I stopped at Five Below and I got Jaxson because he said he wants to start a band. So I hooked up little Jaxson at the dollar store, not the dollar store, Five Below, for like $15 for like 3 toys. Like, are you serious? So he wants to start a band. So he said he wants a guitar, and I was like, okay. He said he only wanted a guitar, but you know, being me that I'm extra, I got him a drum set and I got him a little, you know, guitar and stuff like that. So Christmas for him is going to be really nice, inexpensive and stuff like that. I went over the budget like none other, but you know what I mean. I told you guys I was gonna make it nice for them. So yeah, so I'm gonna go to his parents' house and eat, and then we're supposed to be going to a thrift store, but I'm not sure because we already found the guitar. We might just go to look to see what they have and stuff like that for their stockings. But anyways, I'll see you guys in a little. Okay, so this is what vegan looks like, and this is a lot of food. So they have the soy, isn't not soy, why do I keep saying soy, tofu under there, and just extra, not even extra, just guacamole and the other fixing. So I'm gonna go enjoy my food. What are you doing? No. I need to go get my nails done because I'm down here in Laurel, and this is where my nail guy is. But my husband is not wanting to watch her. You gonna let Daddy watch you? Being a bride. I'm gonna go get my nails done because it's almost a month since I got it done. Could you stop? Oh. What do you need? Nothing. You want a nurse? I'm gonna go nurse her. Say bye, guys. Say bye, guys. I wanna eat. Say bye, guys. See you later. Yes, honey, I put lip gloss on my hands because I didn't have any lotion. Who doesn't do that? Anyways, I got my nails done. He didn't want to take me to get them done, but had he not taken me, that would have been gross and disgusting by next week. And I'm not going back to that lady to do my nails because she jacked up my nails. I told Tony what happened. I was like, I let someone did my nails. You should have seen the look on his face. And then he took off about 10 pounds of acrylic. Is it acrylic or is it gel? I don't know. He took off about 10 pounds of stuff off of my nails. That's how thick she made them. And it was just like, ugh. So now my nail is nice and just flat and perfect and just so cute, and I'm just like loving them right now. My husband picked out a color and he took it out and he looked at it and he was like and then he went in this secret drawer stash that he always go in, that stash of stuff for nail polish, and he took out this color and he was like, and we both nod our heads. We were like, yeah. He put it on and it's gray when I'm cold. It's gray when I'm cold and pink when I'm hot. So it's really, really pretty. Like, that's the color that it is now. And then when I'm cold, when I'm warm, it's a soft baby pink. So it's really pretty. But anyways, I'm too excited about my nails right now. So I'll see you guys when I get home. Okay, so we just got back from Whole Foods. We went to go get some treat and we picked up this cookie, and it was $5.88 and it was like $11.99 per pound. So we're gonna try these and see how good they are. They look good from the outside, so let's see. Okay, we're gonna try some cookies. You want one, honey? Here we go. What do you say?
Thanks.
It has some kind of nut in it or something.
I like it.
You like it? That's okay. I like them. We're going home now, I promise. I think we spent the whole day in the car. Oh, you dropped your nut? So, hubby convinced me that I should wrap at least one present and put it on the tree. So I wrapped 3 presents and put them under the tree. And they're right there. Hopefully, Madison does not take the present and decide to play with them and open them, because then she's going to ruin Christmas for Jaxson because those are Jackson's presents. And he put his name on it and she's sitting right by the tree right there. I need to get the tree skirt and the stockings out, but let me show you guys the closet that I'm working with.
Here.
Kids are here. You see that closet?
How come I didn't hear them?
See that? I'm not going in that closet. Kids are here though. Should I open the door for them or should I let them? Should I let them struggle to come in?
How come we don't hear them?
Because they're struggling to open the door. I'm so dark right now.
Where's pull it towards them? Who's at my door?
Oh gosh! Hi.
We were gonna open the door.
Hi.
But
Hi.
the thing is stuck. Hi. Hi.
How was school?
Good.
Alright, take the shoes off. Ooh, it's cold.
I got 2 heavy books. It's not.
Oh, really?
There's one about.
Come in, it's cold. No, Maddie, don't rip that. No, give it to me.
Mommy.
Say hi, guys. Maddie,
Mommy.
say hi.
Excuse me. Mommy.
Say hi, guys.
Hello.
Like that.
Daddy.
Okay, we need to start doing homeworks.
I don't have to. Because he just like.
No homework?
Friday.
Alright, we need to work on the chair. Oh, it's Friday. Oh, I forgot. Did you guys turn in your homework?
Yeah.
Could you guys pick up the stuff off the floor? Juju just made a mess of it on the floor. I'm sorry that you guys just got thrown into chaos. Jackson! Oh, he's using the bathroom. Let's see if he realized. He recognized.
How you doing?
Can I help you?
So yeah, so my husband convinced me to put presents under the tree. Usually me, I put presents the day of under the tree. That's just me because I don't want kids peeking. I don't want anybody going messing with nothing. But
Presents?
yeah, there's 3 little presents there.
Jackson, mommy, and daddy. Jackson.
They're all for Jackson.
Okay. I need it in the bathroom.
This is the dog and Juju.
He does.
Don't worry.
My life. I cannot, for the love of me, have a clean house. But it's okay.
Can I use the bathroom in your bathroom?
Anyways, guys, I think this is gonna be it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out with us, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below in the comment section, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow.
I wonder what they
Bye.
You left Jason by himself?
So I know